Guys, this is Streamlab HQ, and I welcome you back to this YouTube channel. And without wasting much of your time, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to set up the Ezzerman Kodi Build on your Kodi 21.2 Omega and your Kodi 20 Nexus apps. So this particular build works on any Kodi enabled device, your Firestick, TV, or TV boxes, your Androids, your PCs, and any device that supports Kodi app. So this particular build has so many add-ons like the Stairway to Heaven, Gold, you have the Red Sky at Night, you have Plutonium, you have Vedi, you have the Beast, and so many other builds. And the interesting thing is that you can also set it up on a low RAM or a low storage device. So guys, before we get started, I'll advise you to make sure you use a VPN while accessing Kodi. It's always better you protect your online footprint. So in my own case, I use IP Vanish, and it's been working very well for me, and I'll advise you, and I'll encourage you to use it as well, because I think that's the best I've used so far. So I'll leave a link in the description. You can get it through my referral link. That way it will be cheaper for you, and if you encounter any issue, there is a 30-day full refund guarantee. So guys, with that being said, let's get started with the tutorial. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this gear icon. Okay, when this system settings page pops up, you're going to click on system, and on this page you're going to look for this add-on. You're going to check on, you have to turn on this unknown sources. You have to check it, and you click yes, and you go back to the previous page. On this page you're going to click on file manager, and you click on add source, and you click on none. So you're going to enter the URL for the Ezzerman build. So the URL is this. Okay. So I'm going to leave it on the screen as well. So make sure you type it the same way and don't make any mistake while entering it. Okay, don't need to be in a haste. Yeah, you can use HTTP or HTTPS. So if HTTP does not work for you, try HTTPS, but this should work. Okay, so I'll click OK. So I'll choose to rename this file's media source name, or leave it at repo. And in my own case, I'm going to leave it. So I'll click OK here. Okay, so it's been added to our file manager. I'll go back to the previous page. On this page, I'm going to click on add-ons. I'm going to click install from zip file. Okay, and I'll click on that repo. The media file source name we saved earlier. Okay, and I'm going to click on this zip file. Okay, so install from zip file. Yeah, it has been installed. So I'm going to click on install from repository. I'll click on this Ezzerman wizard repository. I'm going to allow it to open. Okay, it's going to take a while. Okay, so guys, if you have gotten to this point, I want you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our coming tutorials. So when this page opens, I'm going to click on program add-ons. Okay, then on this page I'm going to click on this Ezzerman's wizard. Okay, and I'll click on install here. So while it is downloading and installing, guys, make sure you are using a VPN. Make sure you are using a VPN. It is very, very important you are using a VPN, and I'll advise you to use IP Vanish. IP Vanish, they actually customized their VPN to be very, very compatible with Kodi. And like I said earlier, there's a link in the description where you can easily get it, and you start using it without wasting much of your time, and it's very cheap, affordable, and very reliable. Okay, when this option pops up, just click next and ignore it. You can just click on dismiss. So we're going to go back to the home page. Okay, now on this home page, now I'm going to click on add-ons, and I'll click on program add-ons, and I'll click on this Ezzerman wizard. So when it opens, yes, we're going to click on builds. Okay, so we have so many builds here. Kodi 21 builds, Kodi 21. So I'm going to look for any of them and install. So when you are doing this installation, you can choose anyone you want to install. Okay, when you see geometry Ezzerman build. Okay, let's try this. Okay, now click on fresh install. Okay, I think that's empty. Let's go with this code. Okay, and now click on fresh install. Okay, yeah, I think this one has something. Okay, I'll click yes. Okay, so it's downloading and installing, guys. So it is pretty simple, and if you followed the guide, you are not going to encounter any issue. And if you follow the guide and you're having any mistake while using IPVanish VPN, just leave a comment in the comment section, so I'll help you fix it as soon as possible. And please, guys, if there's any build or add-on you're looking for, you can as well leave it in the comment section, so I will provide you with that particular build. I'll guide you on how to add it to your Kodi app. So guys, I'm going to pause this video so it will not be lengthy, and I'll resume it once the download and the installation has been completed. Good, so the installation has been completed, guys, and immediately I click on this OK button, the Kodi app will go off, and I have to restart it again so that the build we've installed will take effect. So guys, that is it. It is just very simple and very straightforward, guys. So if you found this tutorial helpful, I wanted to show a little appreciation by clicking on that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss my coming videos. So guys, enjoy the rest of your new month. You have a wonderful month ahead. Take care, guys.